What's going on, you guys? Crypto Yang back with an update for LendConnect, and man, oh man, I've been saying this. If you've been watching any of my videos, I've been saying this. Lending is going to be phased out with staking. Look at what's going on now. LendConnect is now going to be doing a stake Ethereum program. As you can see, this came straight from the Telegram just now. LendConnect is an Ethereum-based project. You will be able to trade LCT for Ethereum. After the launch of all basic features, we will add Ethereum staking. What? So, example, package 1. You stake your Ethereum for 15 days in the LendConnect platform and receive a 2.5% bonus on the capital release date. Wow. So basically, you can sell your LCT into Ethereum and stake your Ethereum on LendConnect's platform. Now, I don't really know how that's going to go with LendConnect and the worth of LendConnect. I don't see how that's going to raise LendConnect's worth. They're going to have to somehow implement their coin into this. Because if that's the case, then all you have to do is bring your Ethereum into the platform and stake it. So I don't know if they really thought this out. I think that what they meant to say is that they're going to stake the LCT coins, which to me would make more sense. But either way, no matter what they do, I told you guys from day one, LendConnect is going to continue to make strides to make sure and ensure the longevity of this platform and company and ICO, whatever, everything about, well, the ICO is passed, but everything about this company screams longevity. All right, everyone's screaming scam, this and that. People think that it's this. Look at what they're doing. They're adding so many different things. The internal exchange has not even launched yet, you guys. The internal exchange hasn't even launched yet. Hold on 1 second while I log in and show you what's going on there. So I'm logged in. As you can see, LCT is tanked really hard. And it's heartbreaking to me because at one point, my LCT was worth like almost $2,000. And now it's, oh man, that's ugly. It is ugly. And I'm hurting inside, but I'm hoping that this is going to raise the worth of LCT somehow. All right. The internal exchange opens in less than a week. You understand what I'm saying? Less than a week. Currently, I have money that's in a loan right now. So, you know, I'm getting money regardless, and it's based on LCT being a price of $7.27. Their interest every day has been great. It's been great. So what I'm thinking is that they're probably going to stake the LCT. They're going to change it from a lending platform to a staking platform. What is that going to do? I don't know, because then they're going to have to rebrand. They're called LendConnect. The token is LCT. You know, so there's a lot of things that's going to have to be changed, or I'm just trying to figure out how they're going to do this. And I'm not sure yet. So if you guys have any ideas of what it might be, comment in the box. Let me know what you think is going to happen, because I'm not 100% sure. I'm just giving you an update right now. I'm not a professional financial consultant or advisor. You know, everything that I do is based on my own personal research, which is what I hope you guys do too. I'm just here to share my knowledge, share what I'm doing to try to make some money. LCT is really down right now, but so is the rest of the market, and I think that with certain moves, LCT will come back. One of those moves will definitely be when they delist from Coin Exchange and they put all the volume on the website. And the way that they're going to be able to stay afloat is they're going to have higher interest rates. From the beginning, the reason why that people were drawn to LendConnect is because of the high 5% interest rates. So I'm hoping that, you know, they start going back up in their interest rates. And even if they don't, maybe this Ethereum staking thing is not a bad idea. It's going to bring a lot of Ethereum onto this platform. So if they are truly using trading bots for arbitrage trading and all those things, then basically what you'll be doing is really you're lending your Ethereum to them. So they'll be able to trade with your Ethereum and make some money so that they can, you know, implement more things into the website and or try to do some more marketing or promotions, maybe even get partnered with somebody. You never know. So, I mean, I don't see these guys going anywhere anytime soon, especially not when they're coming out with all these new things to try to better their platform. But this is my update. I appreciate you guys watching. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. If you got any questions, concerns, comments, put it in the comment box below. I'm very active with my Crypto Yang gang and everybody else that messages me. So your message will not be lost. You know, I'll definitely get back to you, and we can definitely have a talk about what you think is going on. But appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe. I'll have updates on LendConnect pretty much daily. I usually stay on here all the time. But yeah, LendConnect is great. Looks like they're making strides. LoopX is about to have their internal exchange launched as well, and things are going to move for them here soon. Monetize. I got videos on Monetize. I got links in the description and in the comments for Monetize if you want to jump in on that before it sells out. Packerac's already sold out. You guys are late on that. ETHEREUM is a big one, guys. They're actually going to go on sale at midnight tonight, and that just reminded me I need to have some Ethereum ready to go for them because their tokens are only going to be a penny. 1 penny each. There is no minimum on ETHEREUM. They don't know how much. We don't know how much it's going to be worth or how many are going to be available to sell because they did a bunch of pre-sales and people were buying it like crazy. $20,000 US dollars was the minimum for the pre-sale, and I can't imagine how many people put money into that thing. They're partnered with Twitch. It's a gaming platform where if you watch streamers or if you stream gaming yourself, you can earn ETHEREUM tokens by doing that. I think that's amazing. That's something that I feel like is going to be long term, and Twitch has definitely put out a couple of statements that were very confident in ETHEREUM. So that's great to hear too. Also, Finecoin. I don't know if I put y'all on Finecoin yet. Finecoin for my LendConnect viewers, because a lot of other people. They've been looking at it too, but Finecoin is amazing too. They're the first ones doing the staking program, and now it looks like LendConnect is following, and watch everybody else follow too. Everybody's going to do the staking program. The hosted staking is what Finecoin is doing. Look into that. It's basically lending, but they're calling it hosted staking. Okay, this is still under $1. I think the highest the price is going to go in the ICO stage is going to be 95 cents. So jump in now, because when it hits the internal exchange, it's going to be $15, and when it hits the hosted staking program, it's going to be $25. That means that you're going to multiply your money by 25. Whatever you put in, put times 25, do the math, and that's what you're going to have. You put in $1, it'll be $25 on the lending program. If you put $100, it's going to be $2,500 on the lending program. You put $1,000, it's going to be $25,000 on the lending program. I'll do quick math real quick. So if you put in $1,000, right, and it turns into 25 because it's times 25, right? Oh, sorry, 1,000 times 25 is $25,000. Okay, times, let's just say the daily interest is 1.5, right? That means you're gonna be making $375 a day in interest. Times that by 1 week, you have doubled and a half your money in a week. In 1 week, just 1 week. You understand what I'm saying? You gotta be stupid to not understand that. I hope my Crypto Yang gang is not stupid. I'm pretty sure you guys are not, because you guys have been following me, and I know that you guys are making money moves. All right, I know you guys are making money moves. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put y'all on, man. Trying to put y'all on. I got links in the description if you want to sign up under me. I definitely appreciate that. On Finecoin, it seems like nobody's signing up under me, and then that's fine. It's okay. I just want to make sure you guys are getting in on this, because this is real money. This is not a joke. They do their ICO sale at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time every day. Crypto Yang signing out. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Be part of the community, man. Be part of the gang. We're going to make money. Crypto Yang signing out.